I have been learning English for the past 1.5 years. Even I have completed more than 1.5 years. What have I learned about English? I will give my best experience, my best idea in this video. Yeah. Stay connected with me for a couple of minutes and I will spit out those experience to you so that you people can learn English faster. You people can become fluent in English in very short period of time. Because what is happening around us, people struggle badly to speak English. They spend year, yeah, they spend months. Some spends 12 months, more than 2 years. And even after spending this much time, they get stuck while speaking. And it happens not because of grammar, it happens because of right strategy. If we don't follow right strategy, no matter how much time we give to that particular work, yes, we will never improve faster. With time we will improve. And why we will improve with time? Because we will understand from our experience. No, this will not work this way, it will work that way. Yeah. So my best advice is to do imitation practice, come rain and shine. Yeah. Every single day do imitation practice. It will help you. Yeah. It will help you to speak English flexibly. Because many people they afraid of sound clearly. Yeah. This is what happening in the beginning. Yes. This is what exactly happened in the beginning. We get scared of speak every sentences. But when you do imitation practice, you will speak because there is something in your mind. Yeah. And just now I forgot what I was about to say. And I think this is pretty common, pretty normal. Everybody goes through this difficulty. Yeah. Oh my God, what was that? Yeah. So this is the thing. So and keep on learning English. Yeah, and I want to say this: consistency matter a lot. Yes, consistency genuinely matters. If you don't remain consistent, you will take very much time. Yeah. So consistency do really matters. Yeah. So this was my thing. And some people say you have to read book. You have to become bookworm. Bookworm is an idiom. It means somebody who doesn't like read book, who doesn't love reading book. Yeah. It is not necessary to speak English. You need to be bookworm. No, not at all. What is necessary is to become fluent in English. It's speaking. It's practicing. If you speak every day, do practice every day, remain consistent, you will surely speak. Nobody can restrain you. Restrain means nobody can stop you. Yeah. So nowadays I'm being able to speak more naturally than my previous day. And All this is happening just because of my consistency, just because of my dedication, just because of my practice. If I did not do practice, yeah, if I didn't do speaking practice every day, maybe today I would not be speaking English with this confidence. Yeah. And confidence will come with time. With time, you will begin speak naturally. It is very common. Yeah, it is super common. And I will always keep in touch with you. No matter what happens, every day I will post at least one video. But you stay connected with me. Yeah, you stay touch with me. I will surely make you a fluent in English speaker. Not just that, I can make